What's going on, FMFAM? It's your boy. I'll try to make this as quick as I can because I don't want to ramble and ramble like I'm rambling right now. I got this vehicle in here. Customer was complaining about a rattle noise. I was unable to duplicate the rattle noise. The customer wasn't very specific on it, but they did send a video. Now, based on the video, I was able to recognize what kind of noise it was and the condition it was making the noise in. So I'm gonna show y'all a quick clip right here, and this is how I diagnosed the vehicle. I did find that the noise you are concerned about is going to be coming from your fan. As you can see, it is very loose and it is actually wobbling while it's running. So I recommend getting that fan replaced. As you can see, based off of the noise that I heard in their video, which I wish I could show y'all, but I can't, the noise sounded very familiar. So I went straight to the fans. And as you can see out of the vehicle, this thing was very wobbly. And as you see right here, brand new fan installed.